So this video will show you how to access to the 2010 Nissan Cube factory Bluetooth module. So the factory Bluetooth modules is located under the front passenger seat. It's around right here. So what you gotta do is take out the cover, take out the cover on the side, and also like take out the seal. And then it's just right underneath the carpet. So you can see you see like a white color plug underneath. It's right there. See that? So what you gotta do, if you try to like bypass it using like a bypass plug, so what you gotta do is like unplug that. It's right here. So what you got is a bypass plug here. So what you gotta do is just you gotta do is hot. Yeah, there you go. Okay, there you go. It's all running. And just put it back. Yeah, so that's it. You don't have to take out the front passenger seat in order to access the factory Bluetooth module. So okay, thank you for watching. Hope this helped.